Yeah, I think I blew that in the first 2 seconds, didn't I? Taking. He's going down. Well, it was started out as sort of a long trip, getting up very early. Had a couple good flights out of West Palm Beach, Florida, into Atlanta, from there to Minneapolis and Billings. Pretty long drive out to Tracy's place. But we got in late last night, walked in, saw all the nice deer that they have on the wall, the beautiful muleys. Got a good camp of guys, great guides. Talked to Tracy last night. Came up with a game plan this morning. We've been following this muley all morning long. I've been telling Tracy essentially my story about hunting. Doesn't always go the way you expect it. We had some unexpected moments this morning, but we chased this big boy. We waited, we had patience, and the patience definitely paid off. What pays off is obviously a great outfitter who can put you on a great animal. So if you guys want a great hunt, come on out. Hidden Valley Outfitters, Montana.
Congratulations.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Nice buck, nice buck, nice 4x4. Got some eye guards, heavy, tall. Get a little sunlight on him there. Everybody kind of sees forks and stuff, but big old Roman nose on him. Beautiful deer. Mature buck, probably 4.5 years old. Probably a little bit bigger than the deer you hunt there in Florida, I suppose, huh?
Just about this much bigger.
Body-wise too, I'd imagine.
Yeah, body-wise, this looks like some of the cars that we drive in Florida. Not just a deer. He's beautiful. He's huge. The coat is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, if you hit a deer this size in Florida, it's probably going to hurt your vehicle more than you can imagine.
Yeah, your insurance rate in Florida are definitely going to go up. No doubt about that. And you're going to be looking for a new vehicle. Preferably something GMC because you own stock in it.
No, this is another example of a good mature Montana mule deer here that we do here in Montana with Hidden Valley Outfitters. Myself, owner here, Tracy Wires. So great stock this morning, great hunt, and actually, great. Actually, we went around the hill here. There was probably 2 other bucks. In fact, there's one walking across the hill as we're speaking right here. So, but seen him early this morning. Made a stalk on him. Seen another buck. Seen a bunch of does. Kind of weaved through the hills there a little bit, and actually the rancher came down here and checked the cows. I think boogered him for us a little bit here, but we found him again over here in the field with a doe. Some does came up the creek bottom over here and kind of got his attention. We set up and kind of probably waited 10 minutes for him to walk out, and he did. He walked right out in the sunlight into the field there. We got an opportunity to harvest this nice deer. So, but again, congratulations, awesome shot. So
awesome hunt. Hidden Valley Outfitters, Montana. This is the place to come. Great guys, great quality deer, and the dessert is not so bad.
Plenty of that to come. All right, we'll get him out of here.